Okay, it just happens that approximately 2 years ago I actually done these very windows, or did a video of these windows doing this exact thing with a pole, except I had a different squeegee set up, the pole was different, didn't have a quick lock system to adjust the angles. I actually made my own, but now that I've got this on the pole, you'll, as I said, you'll notice a difference if you look at the other video, which will have a link under this video, and you can just check it out. You probably noticed that it's pretty soapy too. I thought I'll just add a little bit more soap so you can actually see how we're doing it now. Go to the bottom and just close out to the side. Notice, just give it a wipe. You can give it a wipe. It's a scrubber squeegee, similar to a wagtail with the scrubbing pad. As you can see, we scrub it, go on one side, then go on the other side, and then go around and fan it down to the bottom of the window. And also we have clips on each end, so there's less detailing to hold the rubber in place. I have other videos explaining how that works, but as you can see, it does quite a nice clean job right up to the edge. Just fan like this down to the bottom, close out to the side. So I'll just wipe all the soap that's on there. As I said before, I used quite a bit of soap, and now it's sort of on the frames at the bottom here. But the rest of the frames I don't have to detail. It's ready and finished. And well, I suppose I'll just finish this. That's about it. We're finished. Bye.